Alright, today we're going to quickly show you how to factory reset a Garmin Novi 40. This one happened to be the one that I bought from a yard sale, so that's why I need to factory reset it. So I'm going to hold down the side button right here. You can see it's 2013, today is 2024. Loading map. Yep. Because it's not our data, we'll say yes. It's very important when you get a GPS that's not you bought it from yard sale. You need to factory reset it, and once you factory reset it, charge this unit up, and you are able to do some software update to the latest and see how that works. So thanks for watching. Bye.